GoPros can be one of the best cameras for travel videos. In this episode, you'll learn about packing your GoPros and mounts. I bring my GoPro with me absolutely everywhere that I go, and I think that this is a must-have for every travel vlogger. It's always in my backpack, and somehow it always comes out every day. One thing that I love about this camera is it's super lightweight and small. I can bring it on any adventure that I'm going on. It's also super durable. I can bring this underwater, throw it off a cliff, which I have done before. And the image quality on this is just incredible. You can shoot at 4K or 1080, whatever you want, and be shooting at 120 frames a second, which is really nice slow motion. So if I'm bungee jumping, I can film myself falling 5 times slower than usual, and it looks awesome. Additional accessories can really come in handy when trying to get those shots that you really want to get. For example, GoPro mounts can get really cool point of view shots. For me, one of my favorites is the GoPro car mount. I've used this many times on windows or on the outside of my car. One of my favorite times that I've used this mount was 2 summers ago when I was driving from Canada down to Mexico. There were some really beautiful sunset shots along the ocean, and when I got home and looked at the footage, I was amazed at what this mount was able to get me. Learn more about what to bring with you in the rest of the travel series over at filmora.io.